Welcome to the lightning protection design details. So, if the calculated risk is greater than the tolerable risk, then adequate lightning protection design needs to be considered for the structure and equipment. The protection method shall be adopted by determining the lightning protection level LPL of the area, which is determined by the maximum and minimum values of lightning current in kiloampere. The lightning protection system LPS shall be designed as per IEC 62305-3 by selecting the class of LPS which is dependent on the LPL of the area. The type of external lightning protection system comprises of three parts: air termination system, down conductor, and earth termination system. So in the right hand side, I have attached a simple snap which is showing the external lightning protection system components. So as we have said, firstly is the air termination system which is placed at the roof here, which is directly connected to the down conductor through the supports, and finally directly getting terminated to the earth termination system. So based on the lightning protection design as per the class of LPS, the height of the structure which can be protected by this LPL 1, 2, 3 and 4 is shown by this particular graph. Alpha is the angle of the protection, so which is seen here in this graph. So this is the air termination, this is the protection angle which is can be calculated from this graph. This is a meshed roof system having a mesh size which is decided based on the LPS. Now the rolling sphere radius is calculated by the minimum fault current of the LPL. This is the down conductor which is directly getting connected to a dedicated lightning earth pit. So this is a simple external lightning protection system shown with all components of air termination, meshed network, down conductor and earth termination systems. So let us understand all these three major components of external lightning protection. The first of which is the air termination system. Air termination system is part of external LPS, which is usually installed in the top of the structure, which is responsible for decreasing the probability of direct strike of lightning current to the structure. So the direct impact to the structure due to the lightning current can be avoided by this air termination system. Air termination system can be composed of any combination of following elements such as rods including freestanding masts or catenary wires or meshed conductors. All types of air termination systems are to be designed and positioned in accordance with the following methods as per IEC 62305 Part 3. Protection angle method, rolling sphere method or mesh method. So this is the table based on the LPL and class of LPS. And what is the minimum rolling sphere mesh size and protection angle value? So for the protection angle that we have already seen in this particular graph, what will be the protection angle as per the LPL? So if the LPL level, lightning protection level is 1, the maximum fault current is 200 kiloampere and the minimum fault current is 3 kiloampere. The class of LPS is 1, the rolling sphere radius is 20 and the mesh size would be 5 by 5 meter. If the lightning protection level is 2, then the maximum fault current can reach 150 kiloampere and minimum fault current can go to 5 kiloampere. And accordingly, the rolling sphere radius is 30 meter and the mesh size is 10 by 10 meter. In case of LPL 3, the maximum lightning current goes down to 100 kiloampere and the minimum fault current goes to 10 kiloampere, and the rolling sphere radius is 45 meter with a mesh dimension of 15 by 15 meter. For LPL4, the maximum fault current is 100 kiloampere and the minimum current is 16 kiloampere, and the rolling sphere radius is 60 meter with a mesh size of minimum requirement 20 meter by 20 meters.